Hey guys, today we're going to walk through simple steps to fix the turn signal bulb on our 2004 Dodge Dakota. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you might have noticed is when you're using your turn signals, you've got your regular blinking frequency, right? But when you hit the one that's bad, right, it blinks at you faster, right? So next thing we need to do is understand, is it the front blinker or the back blinker? So to confirm which one, we're going to turn the hazards on. That's going to make the blinkers work on all of the headlights and the tail lights. Let's walk around. We can see that the front one's working. All good there. And then on the back side, yeah, that one looks like suspect. And this one is blinking, so now we know which light we need to correct. Okay, to get this tail light out, we're going to use a simple T25 Torx screwdriver. And there's just two screws, one here at the bottom and one right here underneath the brace that holds the tailgate. So we'll take those out. All right, once the screws are out, you just have to use your fingers at the top and the bottom and you can pop it out. You can see these two little suction cups that go in here and in the top and the bottom, and easily pops out. So all we got to do is do a twist on this top bulb here for the turn signal. Pop it out. Requires two hands. Let's do that next. Okay, now that we got the bulb out of the housing, let's take a look at it. Definitely looks dark, perhaps burned out. So I happen to have a replacement that I'm going to just use, and you can see that the fittings size match. So we'll just pop it back in and reverse the install process. We'll turn it on and test to make sure it's lighting up and the blinkers at the right frequency before we plug everything back up. All right, got the new replacement bulb in there, and you can see it is blinking just fine. Same frequency as the left side. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe. Have a great day and good luck with your truck.